Welcome to Body Sculpt, your ultimate destination for wellness and self-care. In today's video, we will explore the incredible benefits of a unique massage technique known as back walking massage. Are you ready to discover a powerful way to reduce stress, improve flexibility, and alleviate those nagging muscle aches? Let's dive in. Back walking massage, also called ashiatsu, is an ancient Eastern practice that involves the skilled use of the therapist's feet to provide a deep and therapeutic massage experience. By utilizing their feet, the masseurs can deliver broad, flowing strokes and targeted pressure to your back, effectively releasing tension and promoting relaxation during the back walking massage. The masseurs carefully balances themselves using overhead bars to maintain control and adjust the amount of pressure applied. They use their feet to glide along your back, using smooth, rhythmic movements that distribute pressure evenly across the muscles. So, what are the benefits of back walking massage? Let's take a look. First and foremost, back walking massage is a fantastic stress reliever. The deep pressure and long, sweeping strokes help release tension built up in your muscles, melting away stress and promoting a sense of relaxation throughout your body. This unique massage technique also works wonders for improving flexibility. By applying controlled pressure with their feet, the masseurs help stretch and elongate your muscles, promoting greater range of motion and enhancing flexibility over time. If you suffer from muscle aches and pains, back walking massage can be a game changer. The deep pressure applied with the feet helps relieve muscle knots, trigger points, and tightness, allowing your muscles to relax and heal. So, whether you're an athlete seeking recovery or someone looking to unwind and distress, back walking massage offers a unique and effective solution. It's time to prioritize your well-being and give yourself the gift of this amazing massage technique. Thank you for joining us today at Body Sculpt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and techniques. Until next time, take care of your body, nurture your mind, and keep sculpting your best self.